And I pick a blue one. That's 10 in a row. I win again, Ziggy.
No fair. This bag it's magically unfair. I keep guessing red, and you keep pulling blue.
It's not magic, Ziggy. It's just a game. See? They're just marbles. You just have bad luck today.
My processors do not do bad luck. My calculations were precise. It must be a trick. Dr. Owl, Emma is using a tricky bag on me.
Ho ho, hello you two. A tricky bag, you say, Ziggy?
We're playing a guessing game, Dr. Owl. There are 5 marbles in here. I just keep winning.
She has a 4-to-1 chance of... No, wait. A 10-to-0. My logic circuits are overheating. Why does this keep happening?
Ah, a perfect question. It's not about magic, and it's not about tricks. It's about a very exciting part of science and math called probability. But that leaves us with a wonderful question. What is probability? Hoot hoot, hello, curious minds. You're listening to STEM with Dr. Owl, where big questions turn into fun adventures.
Hi, I'm Emma, always full of questions and ready to explore.
Ziggy here. I know a zillion facts and 0 ways to share cookies.
If you like our show, please share with a friend, a teacher, or your whole class.
Oh, your neighbor's cat.
Hoo-hoo! Welcome back, explorers! We were just trying to figure out why Ziggy kept losing Emma's marble game.
And you said it was because of probability what? That's a long word.
Hoot hoot, it is. Let's break it down. Probability. Probability. It's just a fancy word for the science of chance. It helps us measure how likely it is that something will happen.
Ooh, like the probability of me getting a shiny new gear, or the probability of, ice cream for dessert.
Exactly, Ziggy. Or the probability that it might rain today. Or the probability of guessing the right answer on a quiz.
So, how did probability make me win the marble game?
Aha! Let's become science detectives. Emma, what was in your bag?
5 marbles, 4 of them are blue, and only 1 is red.
Wonderful. Now, explorers at home, you think about this too. If there are 4 blue marbles and only 1 red marble, and you close your eyes and pick one, which color are you more likely to get?
Beep boop. Processing. More blue things than red things. Carry the 1. It's blue. You are more likely to pick blue.
Exactly right, Ziggy. You have 4 chances to pick a blue marble, but only 1 chance to pick a red one. So pulling a blue marble is very likely.
And Ziggy kept guessing red. That was less likely.
Precisely. Now here's a trivia question for you both. Using that same bag, what's the probability of pulling out a purple marble?
A purple one? Dr. Owl, that's silly. There are no purple marbles in the bag.
Wait, I'm calculating. Does not compute. The chances 0.
You've got it. We call that impossible. The probability is 0. And what if the bag only had blue marbles? What's the probability of picking blue then?
Oh, that's easy. You'd always pick a blue one.
It's 100%. It is, certain.
Wonderful. You see? You already understand probability. It's like a big sliding scale, all the way from impossible, which means 0 chance, to certain, which means 100% chance, and everything in between.
But that game was not fair. I want a fair game.
An excellent point. A fair game is one where every player has an equal chance to win. Your marble game wasn't fair, was it?
No, I had a much bigger chance to win than Ziggy did.
So let's find a fair game. I have a coin. It has 2 sides.
Heads and tails.
If I flip it and let it land, what's the probability it will be heads?
Oh, there's 1 heads and 1 tails, 2 sides. So the chance is 1 out of 2.
Hey, that's like a half. It's a 50% chance.
Exactly. It has a 50% chance of being heads and a 50% chance of being tails. We call that a 50-50 chance. It's perfectly fair. Now, explorers, here is a true or false question for you. True or false? If I flip a coin and get heads 3 times in a row, am I more likely to get tails on the next flip because it's tails' turn?
Ooh, that's tricky. I think true? It seems fair that tails would be next.
Hoo-hoo! That's what almost everyone thinks. But the answer is false. A coin doesn't have a memory. Every single flip is brand new, so the chance is still 50-50.
Wow, my brain just did a flip. Let's try it. It's heads.
My turn. It's heads again.
Tails, finally.
Wait a minute, Dr. Owl, that wasn't 50-50. We got 2 heads and only 1 tail. My circuits are fizzing.
Hoo-hoo! A very important discovery, Ziggy. This is my favorite part. Probability tells us what's likely to happen over many, many tries, but it can't tell us for sure what will happen on the next try. That part is called randomness.
Randomness? Is that like when my cat suddenly decides to run around the house for no reason?
Ho 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 ho. In a way, yes. It means we can't predict the very next coin flip. But if we flip that coin 1,000 times, we'd get very, very close to 500 heads and 500 tails.
Wow, so probability is all about predictions.
That's right. And we use it for more than just games. Have your parents ever checked the weather on a phone?
All the time. Mine said there was a 30% chance of rain this morning.
And what do you think that means?
It means 30 tiny rain clouds are having a meeting and deciding if they want to sprinkle us.
Hoo-hoo! A very creative guess. It actually means that scientists looked at all the other days in the past that had clouds and wind just like today. And on 30 out of 100 of those days, it rained.
So, it might rain, but it's more likely that it won't rain.
That is exactly right. It helps us decide if we should pack an umbrella. We use probability to make smart guesses.
I have an idea. If probability helps us predict, I shall build a prediction machine.
A prediction machine.
Yes, I will call it the Chance-O-Meter 9000. I will use it to calculate the probability of ice cream for dessert.
Hoo-hoo! A delicious experiment, Ziggy. And what does your Chance-O-Meter say?
It says probability of ice cream is 100%. It is certain.
Woohoo! Ziggy, that's your best invention ever.
Now, Ziggy, I'm not quite sure your science is correct, but I certainly like your chances. Before we go, I have one last riddle for you all. I don't have a crystal ball, but I can help you guess. I tell you if the chances are big or small. I help you find out if a game is fair or if it's a big mess. What am I?
Ooh, I know. It's probability.
Science-tastic.
You got it.
So today, we learned that probability is the science of chance.
And some things are impossible, and some things are certain, and some are just 50-50.
And it helps us all make smarter guesses about the future. Wonderful work, explorers. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Keep exploring, stay curious, and always ask. Hoo-hoo!
Ice cream! Right here! Get your ice cream!
Dr. Owl, do you hear that?
Hoo-hoo! I do.
See? Bleep bloop. The chance-o-meter is never wrong. Science-tastic.
That was so much fun, Dr. Owl. I hope all our explorers had a great time too.
Hoot hoot! We loved having you with us. If you don't want to miss our next adventure, follow us on your favorite podcast platform.
And if you know a friend who loves exploring too, share our podcast with them.
If you have a question or a topic you want to learn more about, leave us a comment. See you next time.